Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to install Windows 10 from a USB flash drive without losing any data. Okay, let's get started. There is two files, Rufus and this one. Okay, documents, there is two files. Under download there is three files, and from this disk there is one file. So restart the PC. Click here, start button. Click restart here, then connect USB to PC. Press F12 repeatedly to boot the window. Click here, SanDisk, user switch 1.26. Press here. Okay. Click next. Install. Okay. Click on I don't have a product key. Click here. Then click the operating system you want to install. Okay, in my case, I want to install Windows 10 Pro. Click here. Then click next. Click here. I accept the license terms. Click next. Then click custom install Windows only advanced. Click here. Then now install Windows on local disk C. No need to delete the partition. No need to format. Just click on next here. Then, if the partition you have chosen contains files from a previous Windows installation, these files and folders will be removed to a folder named that located on desktop, documents, downloads, and everywhere goes to Windows.old. You will be able to access Windows.old, but you will not be able to use your previous versions of Windows. Okay, this yes. Okay, click yes here. Yes. Skip. Click here. I don't have internet. Okay. Continue with limited setup here. Click here. Okay. Enter a PC name. This side. PC. Next. Next without entering password. Accept here. Accept. Congratulations. Windows 10 operating system have installed successfully. Now check whether the file is deleted or not. Check the file now. Okay. Press Windows button plus E to open File Explorer. Okay, then click on this PC. local disk C, click here. Then look here, there is a folder windows.old, click here. Now click on users, PC2. Then check the files that is found on desktop. Yeah, here, there is a file. There are 3 files. Then under documents, there is a file. Under downloads, here, media creation tool, Rufus and Telegram. Thank you for watching this video.